Hello friends, welcome to 5 Best Tools Hub. CNC computer numerical control plasma cutters are advanced tools designed to cut through conductive materials such as steel, aluminum, brass, and copper with precision and efficiency. These machines use a high-temperature plasma arc, controlled by computer programming, to achieve clean and accurate cuts in various shapes and sizes. Unlike traditional cutting methods, CNC plasma cutters offer unparalleled speed, minimal material wastage, and the ability to handle complex designs with ease. Ideal for industries such as metal fabrication, automotive, construction, and art, these machines have revolutionized how professionals and hobbyists approach cutting tasks. With user-friendly interfaces, enhanced automation, and compatibility with CAD/CAM software, CNC plasma cutters are now more accessible than ever, catering to a wide range of needs from intricate decorative patterns to heavy-duty industrial applications. Number 1. Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter. The Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter is a high-performance cutting machine that is ideal for both professional and industrial use. With a versatile input voltage range 110V and 220V, this machine can adapt to various power sources, making it suitable for a range of environments. The Bestarc BTC 800 XP CNC Plasma Cutter offers strong performance for users who require a reliable, portable, and easy-to-use plasma cutter for cutting metals of varying thicknesses. While its efficiency might not be the highest, it still delivers excellent cutting capabilities for a wide range of materials. Whether you're a professional fabricator, mechanic, or DIY enthusiast, the BTC 800 XP is a dependable choice for your cutting needs. Number 2. HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter. The HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter is a robust and versatile cutting solution designed for precision and efficiency in industrial and commercial settings. With a sleek, compact design 620 x 360 x 470 mm, it combines power and performance to handle demanding cutting tasks. Here's an in-depth look at its features and performance. The HeroCut HC8000 CNC Plasma Cutter is an exceptional choice for professionals who need a high-performance, reliable, and efficient plasma cutting machine. Its combination of powerful cutting capabilities, user-friendly features, and CNC compatibility makes it a solid option for industrial applications. Whether you're cutting thin or thicker materials, this machine is sure to provide precision and durability, helping you achieve smooth, clean cuts every time. Number 3. Bestarc BTC 500 XP 11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter. The Bestarc BTC 500 XP 11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter is a versatile and powerful tool designed for precision cutting in various industries. This plasma cutter offers a range of features that make it a reliable choice for both professional and hobbyist use. The Bestarc BTC 500 XP 11 Gen CNC Plasma Cutter is a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly plasma cutter. Its range of cutting capabilities, non-touch arc starting, and durable construction make it a versatile tool for a wide range of metal cutting tasks. While its efficiency rating may not be the highest in the industry, its overall performance, ease of use, and cost-effectiveness make it a solid investment for both hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 4. Vevor VVPC Cut 50P CNC Plasma Cutter. The Vevor VVPC Cut 50P CNC Plasma Cutter is a versatile and efficient cutting tool ideal for both professional and DIY applications. With a solid build and reliable performance, it is capable of cutting a variety of metals, including aluminum, stainless steel, mild steel, and copper. The Vevor VVPC Cut 50P CNC plasma cutter is an excellent choice for both hobbyists and professionals looking for a reliable, efficient, and affordable plasma cutting solution. Its combination of powerful cutting capabilities, advanced features like pilot arc technology, and portability make it a standout in its class. Whether you're cutting metal for fabrication, repairs, or DIY projects, this plasma cutter delivers solid performance and value for money. Number 5. Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter. The Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is a reliable and affordable option for users seeking precision cutting in a range of materials. With its compact design, measuring 18x9x14 inches, the Cut 50 is ideal for both professional and hobbyist settings, offering versatility in various metalworking tasks. The Simder Cut 50 CNC Plasma Cutter is an outstanding tool for small to medium-sized cutting projects. Whether you're a hobbyist, DIY enthusiast, or small business owner, this plasma cutter provides solid performance at an affordable price. Its dual voltage input, portable design, and additional welding function make it a versatile tool that can meet a wide range of needs. While it may not be ideal for heavy-duty, high-volume industrial applications, it offers excellent value for general-purpose cutting tasks. Many thanks for watching this video.